one's a little short, but I think I can, I'm gonna put it on there. So I'll put it like here, and then where the gap is. I guarantee you won't see it later. Guarantee it, baby. Okay, so we've got that. Then we're gonna need a couple more of the little house type things here. Okay, so I've got a little bit of yellow chocolate on there, and I'll attach that about there. Make sure it's kind of straight, and then I'll put another purple one maybe back over here, or I'm gonna wait on that one just in case I don't want to put it there. Okay, then what we can do is decide where we're going to put all the trees and things. So the nicer ones, like this one, when I say nicer, it has the chocolate on the bottom, where some, remember how it didn't work out so well because they were the first ones I did. I'm going to take this and maybe just draw some little lines on that trunk, rough it up a little bit, make it look more tree-like. And then I'm going to take some yellow, and this is a sheen. This is Canary yellow, and I'm going to brush over the top with some yellow, and I think I'm going to take a little bit. This is orange shimmer. It's kind of a light orange color, and I'll just put a little orange kind of here and there, maybe a little on the, so there's a good open spot right there, so I can pop one right there. This, I'll use the green chocolate. And you just have to hold it for a second or two. Just keep an eye on it because it's could still kind of flop down. Then we've got these little bushes. So one right here would be great. And I'm still gonna, I'll cover that. This is more like a little hedge, huh? I'll put this one over there. And continue with our trees. We'll need one up here. Little orange, little yellow. This one that I'm not gonna scuff that up. It's so small to see. Make sure I get this top area too. Okay, again on the back and especially underneath. You could even use different colors on the different trees if you wanted to. Whatever you want. You can even put two of these together like that and have a little tree or a big tree. This is going to end up going up top here. And I was deciding whether I wanted this to actually hold it up, but then you won't see it unless I put it on top of something, because this is going to be too short. Okay, so we want some trees down here too. Okay, so we still have more we can use. Okay, I've decided, since my shelf where I was going to originally put my little bridge here, there's no room. So what I'm going to do with this sign is actually I want to be able to lift the sign up higher. So I will take some yellow chocolate. I've got 2 skewers, and I'm going to dip these in, place it on the back here, and here. Bring that one up here. Okay, and I'm going to let that set up.